Miss Leanne, there's a trail over here. There was a big splash right over here behind me. There was a big splash right over here behind me. Oh, they're ducks. I heard the splash. You have a mallard and a female. Follow you. Ooh, you're gonna take us into a scary part.
You gotta go first. You have the camera. I don't want to be in your way.
Ah, but you said follow you. Ooh.
But this one is
what? If there's anybody in here with a hockey mask and a machete, I'm running.
That's the least of my worry.
Really?
Yeah. As long as we don't come across like a little, what do you call it?
Rodent?
Wild animal.
I'd rather take a wild animal than a hockey mask and machete man.
Well, at least we can talk to that guy.
No, he don't talk. He just chops you up. Hello. Oh, puppy. Hi.
Hi.
Oh. Hey, look what I just found. Well, the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, said to the man, run the stand, hey, got any grapes? Waddle, 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 waddle. Hey.
This is the beach area.
Yeah, it's kind of a janky looking beach. That's a BFI. Bet you fall in. Alright, so we're on another trail here. Park boundary.
Oh, they are open till 10.
Yep. So if you're new to this channel, I also have another channel. It's called Minnesota Ghost Wranglers. Check it out. I investigate the paranormal along with Miss Leanne here, and we're always looking for new recruits. There's a big number 5 up there.
Yep.
You just jumped when I said there's a big, you jumped.
No, I seen the 5. I didn't jump. I just stopped.
Always looking for new recruits. So if you're into the paranormal and you're in the Minneapolis, if you're in the Minneapolis suburbs and would be interested in becoming one of the investigators for the Minnesota Ghost Wranglers, email me. The email address will be down below. Right there. Now here's a trail right here. Did we take this one?
No!
Okay, so Miss Leanne says we don't want that trail. but we're going to continue this trail. Also, for some of you that may not know this about me, not only do I investigate the paranormal, I'm a DJ, and I DJ slash karaoke DJ, and right here would be a spot that I've always thought would be an awesome spot to throw a show, and I'll show you why. You got fireplace there, you have the indoor there, which I'm sure holds restrooms. And then you have it overlooking Silver Lake right there.
We are going to have to go.
Now we are going to
walk on the other side of the park where the other trails are.
Okay, we are continuing for part 2 of Silver Lake in New Brighton, Minnesota. Last time we were here on this trail, we saw a deer. Now that the sun is setting, who knows what we may come across. We might come across some owls. Ooh, these bugs are bad.
Don't get one in your mouth.
Yeah.
A lot of joggers.
A lot of joggers, a lot of bugs. Oh. Well, where this cowboy comes from, we don't jog, we trot. But I don't even trot. I just breathe really heavy when I walk. Man, these bugs are getting bad. Yeah, it's like a little maze to like nowhere. Hello, anybody home? Coming in. Ooh, this is kind of spooky. Thank goodness I got my light, because otherwise it would be pitch black. Oh wow. Nobody home. Just to give you an idea of how dark it really is in here. Let's see if I can turn this off. This is how dark it is in here. I can hardly see if it wasn't for the outside light coming in. It is pretty dark in here. And now, coming out through the backside. I came through the backside here. That's pretty dark in there without my flashlight on.
So it's kind of like a little hand-built maze.
Kinda. Looks like it might have been a big tree at one time. I don't know.
I think this is really cute. They put a little door on here for a squirrel or something.
Nah, man. That's not for a squirrel. That's for the keyboard elf. Oh, look at, they got like little toys and stuff in there.
What the heck?
Felix, Hazel, 2020.
Oh, cute.
Oh wow, that goes all the way back.
They must like coming to this park. That's really neat.
I wonder if that's in honor of them or something.
Yeah. It has to be.
That's for the Keebler elves. I'm just gonna say that's for the Keebler elves. They make good cookies.
That's what was coming all along the road from this park area, that bobcat.
A bobcat? I don't know. I just remember seeing a deer with you. That's what it was, yeah. Because there's a road right beyond those woods there. And I saw a bobcat jump out in front of the road within feet of my vehicle. So we actually kind of have to be on alert. She says that maybe we should start jogging. No, I'm not going down that way. Nope. Whew. I am hot. So, here we are, don't you know?
It's all.
One thing that you're going to learn about me,
That's all.
one thing you're going to learn about me, I do not do summertime. I hate summertime. I'm more of a winter guy. Not sure what this is over Peak 2, but we're going to take a look.
Don't know, just looking down.
Over Peak 2 trees and
Wildlife.
more trees.
Yeah, I want to.
I'm going to check out this trail here because there is a sculpture that I'm going to take a look at. Wow, the way that the, I don't know if that's due to the sunlight hitting it or what, but man, that is very colorful. That's got to be from the light hitting it.
So this trail that we're on, honey, look straight ahead of you, a deer.
Well, I can tell you what that there is. That's a seesaw.
No.
I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is. Oh, I know what that is. You push on this end, and there's a rock on that end.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Take it for a spin. Let's get this on recording. Push it, push it. Go ahead. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go, 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 go. Keep pushing. Now run. That's enough of that, huh? I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is proof that Roswell aliens actually exist. Oh, she sees me. Get those mosquitoes. Okay, now be very, very quiet, guys, because this, from what I'm being told, this is where Jason Voorhees lives. Nah, I'm just kidding. These are just little cabins. Not sure what they're used for though. They might rent them out in case you want to spend the weekend here or something. I don't know if you can spend the weekend here in these or not. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we are back at the original first parking spot.
Yep.
Let's go this way.
Watch out for poison ivy. Oh hey, we were just over here.
Yes, we were. That's how far we walked.
So if you watched part 1, we were actually parked right over there earlier. So for part 2, we decided to go down the road and park in another parking lot. Took a trail, ended up in the first parking lot. So we're now having to backtrack and walk to where we're parked now. And this has been probably almost an hour journey, maybe over an hour journey, but that's okay because you need the exercise. I'm trying to get in better shape, lose a little bit of weight, and just be more healthy. I encourage anybody out there that wants to lose some weight to get out and get some exercise. It's good, not only for the body but for the heart and soul too. We got the moon's out. The moon. At least there's not as many bugs on this main road here. We got ways to walk yet. Didn't feel like we walked that far though. See, that's what happens when you walk and you're having fun.
And you have scenery to look at. Makes it more exciting.
You don't even think about time. Wonder if there's any owls up there.
Yeah. That's the same spot.
Better be careful. We might have some bird poo-poo fall on us.
Well, I know we came down the trail with this back that way. So we went, oh no, it's up there. It's right here over there. Yeah. That's cute.
Came out where?
This is where we came out where that guy said, is there any owls up there?
No, we didn't come out here.
Yeah, because of me walking.
Was it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Viewers at home, keep your eyes posted. We might run into some owls in episode 1. The gentleman says that there is owls out here. If there are, I hope they are friendly. I see no owls. I apologize, everybody, for my coughing. I had COVID twice, and due to that, my breathing actually has been impaired, unfortunately. And because of COVID, I was put on a inhaler, and sadly, I probably will always have to have an inhaler now. That's another reason why I pant and breathe heavy when I walk, because of my impaired breathing due to COVID. I don't care any way you slice it. I'm still hot and miserable from the mugginess. I love Minnesota, don't get me wrong. It is my home state, but man, do I hate the summer times. All right, so we are coming into the parking lot. What the heck is that? Oh, I gotta check this out. What is that up there?
I have no clue.
From a distance, it either looks like a big jellyfish or the symbol for Monster Energy drink. Ooh, Monster Energy drink.
Looks like
I could use one of those.
looks like flowers.
Not that that's a paid advertisement for Monster Energy drink, nor am I endorsing Monster Energy drink, but I sure do like Monster. Yeah, and I could use one right now. More importantly, I could probably use some water. Aqua, H2O. What is this? Looks like something you see on Halloween night. Hey, I know what that is. That's weeds.
Can't really walk up to it.
Weeds they grow in Nebraska. What is this?
It's another art piece.
Looks like it fell from outer space.
Ooh, it feels good over here by the lake.
Not with the skeeters. Okay guys, I don't know exactly what the heck this is.
It says it over here. I can't read it.
But it's kind of cool. Hey, look it. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. I wish I make a wish tonight. Is that how that goes?
Yes. Right here.
Asia Ward, wetland grass. Fabricated steel, solar, light, plastic globes. 2018. Okay. Still not sure what that means, but I'm sure if you Google it, it will tell you what that means. In either case, it's pretty interesting and cool to look at.
Check this thing out.
Okay, this is another thing. I don't know what it is, but it looks like something the Crypt Keeper would probably live in.
Reminds me of something from church.
Well, from this angle, it kind of reminds me of something else, but I can't say it online. Looks like a big donut. So this is steel. Let's feel it. Yep, that's steel.
Lake.
So this is the lake at night.
Listen to the birds on the lake. Wow.
Over there where you see that light, that's actually light from houses.
Wow, that water looks so still. That's where Jason is.
Folks, I want to show you something here real quick. If it was not for my overhead light, this is what we're actually looking at. I mean, it's getting pretty dark here. And I'm getting eaten up like there is no tomorrow.
We're almost done.
And I'm getting eaten up by dragonflies, skeeters, no-see-ums.
Well, it's fun to walk in the evening, though.
Fun to walk in the evening. Not so fun to get eaten up, though.
Yeah, we'll bring bug spray next time. Because our next journey will be Boom Island.
That's right, everybody. Next trip is going to be at Boom Island. We're going to have a booming time there at Boom Island. And that's in, is it Minneapolis?
Yep.
Minneapolis, Minnesota, Boom Island. I'm going to probably have that on both my channels because I would like to try to do a little bit of investigating on Boom Island. Just because there's a lot of history there as well. But in any case, definitely not leaving the house without bug spray because this here is getting to be very painful with the bites. That's okay, because if you're enjoying it, I'm enjoying you watching my channel, and I'm actually enjoying the nature walk here with Miss Leanne. Good for the exercise, good for the heart and soul.
I put lotion on. Maybe it's kind of a repellent thing.
Yeah, she puts lotion on. I think my blood is just too sweet for them and they like me better. Well, the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, said to the man running the stand,
Jeez,
hey,
how far does this go?
you got any grapes?
Oh, that's the street. Okay.
Yeah, we don't want to go towards the street, so let's go towards this way.
Yeah, this is back to, unless you want to take that little trail over there.
I don't know, guys. Do we want to take the trail? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take the trail. Why not? See all the little buggies? That one trail, it was horrible. They were huge.
You mean on the other side?
Yes.
Well, that's because we're actually walking through more trees.
It was almost like I was walking through a nest. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Listen to the wildlife.
I wish we had more stars to look at.
Well, we got the one star right there.
Yeah, well, not in the cities. We don't get many stars.
You know, with the one
Can't see
star,
'em.
with the one star being right there, I wonder if that's like Venus or Mars. Because I'm looking, and I don't see one single star, and it's a clear night, except for the moon. And then we got the one star right there. So I want to know if maybe that might be Venus or Mars. If there's anybody that studies the stars, solar system, maybe you can email Minnesota Ghost Wranglers at gmail.com and let me know. Is that Venus? Is that Mars? Or is that just a simple star?
Oh, that's the ducks. I don't think I've ever walked in the park this late.
Well, we're going on.
I mean, not that it's late, it's just I don't think I've walked in the park when it was this dark. But it's neat.
Well, everybody, I know that we've been going on this part 2 well over 30 minutes now. After editing, it's probably not going to be quite that long, but we're going to probably be calling this a wrap up here soon, as we're going to head back towards our vehicle. But I hope that you had a nice time watching, and I'm really curious what that star is up there, though.
I'm really glad that we got that deer.
Yeah. If anybody didn't see earlier, we caught a deer, and we're seeing a lot of ducks, as you can see right there. So, wrapping things up here, coming to you from Silver Lake and New Brighton, Minnesota. This is Cowboy, and until we see you next time, thank you for following my channel. If you don't know what my other channel is, it's Minnesota Ghost Wranglers. Check it out. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to that channel, and until I see you again, I'll see you on the flip side. God bless.